Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing, for example, the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here we have the list of watch faces. As you can see, I have only two, and by default you will see only the one, this one, basically the default one. And to add more watch faces to this list, to the watch face menu, we need to select the add watch face option right here. Scroll down, and here we have the list of watch faces we can add. So find the watch face you would like, for example this one, and then tap on it and it will be added to the watch face list. Now we can scroll through the watch face, find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. And once you have more than one watch face in the watch face menu on the list, you can simply find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. So you can quickly switch between them by simply selecting one you like. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you have the customize button under them. You can tap on it. And here we can change the background color, I believe. So basically you can swipe up and down to change the color. Then you can swipe left and change the color of different. So this one changes what? How the background looks like, I believe. Yeah, so basically it changes the color of the background. Then we can change the color of the accent. Then we can change the hands. We can change the hand color. And finally, we can change the widgets. So basically complications, they're called. You can tap on one. It will open the list. You can find the one you like. Tap on it to select it. And once you're done, you can press the home button to apply the changes. You can also change the watch face through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Galaxy wearable application, of course. Let's just zoom out the camera a little so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay. So like I said before, let's open the Galaxy wearable application. And in the app, you should see Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, find the option called Watch Faces, tap on it. And here we have the list of watch faces added to our watch. And we can tap on one to select it and apply it. You can also add more watch faces here by scrolling through the list of categories, finding the watch face you like, tapping on it, and it will be applied and added to your list of watch faces right here at the top. As you can see, some of the watch faces have the download button, and those are downloadable watch faces. And to download them, you will need to log in into Samsung account on your phone. Basically, you will need to tap on continue and log in. So let's tap on continue. It should work first time. Okay, it's working now. And now you should be able to download them. So if you tap on the one with the download button, it will automatically download it and apply it on your watch. Okay, so the watch face downloaded. As you can see now, it has this X button, so you can remove it. But if you tap on it again, it will be applied like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.